Alright guys, let's go. There's no more gears. It's just automatic. Hey Margot, you want to come out?
No, come in.
What? You want to stay inside? Okay.
Ding dong, ding dong. Hello.
People are starting all the PV50. What's up? Today is a very nice day. We got the red buds blooming everywhere. We also got the Vanagon on the road. PDK twin turbo. We had our first start of the twin turbo engine and also the first movement of the PDK in the Vanagon, which is absolutely amazing to find this technology in a van.